Okay guys, I've got a little bit of a problem with my E46. It's a 2000 325 on an X plate. Looks like there's some sort of electrical gremlin has attacked my car. Right, okay, I'm just going to explain basically what's going on. The alternator light keeps coming on. Although there is charge going to the battery and it starts fine, there doesn't seem to be any problems that I can associate it with the alternator or the charging system. And also there's a few sort of little bits and pieces that have started to play up as well, all at the same time. My onboard computer has stopped responding to the stalk controls. The high beam light on the dash no longer appears when I'm on high beam. The fog lights, when I actually press the button to actually put the fog lights on, they don't illuminate. Just little small things, but they're so annoying. And I'm sure it must be related all to the same thing. I'm just going to show you. I mean, I'll turn the ignition on. All the lights come on fine. I've got my boot open, by the way, so that's why it's showing the boot's open. Now, I'll start the car. Right, the battery light remains on. And it stays on. Sometimes the oil light comes on, although there we go, there's plenty of oil actually in the car. There's no problems in regards to it. Now, if I turn the lights on and then go full beam, I don't know if you can see outside, I'm on full beam, on off, and we look down towards the dash, there is no light saying that I'm on high beam. We go to the onboard computer, pressing the stalk control, and nothing. There's nothing there at all. I mean, it's so weird. I mean, we go, I know it's really difficult to see because obviously it's daylight, but normally these illuminate when you turn them on and off, and they don't. They don't appear on the dash either. And obviously that causes a little bit of, well, it's just a bit of hassle more than anything, because you don't know if you've got your fog lights on, if you've got them off. Sometimes you can't determine whether you've got your high beam on. But I mean, the car runs absolutely fine, but we've got these lights on for no particular reason. Right, I'm going to go to the back of the car now, and I've already got the boot open, and I'll show you the readings I'm actually getting. I've also tested, well, searched for fault codes as well on the R5, and there are no fault codes. I've tried it on this one, and this thing that I don't really think is very reliable anyway, just to see if I can get any fault codes out of it. No fault codes. I mean, the peak tool I've always used and it's always been very reliable, but no fault codes. I'm going to go around the back, bear with me. Right, okay. Around the back now. See, we've got got the battery back here. I've connected a Gunson start check meter to it, and everything's fine in regards to all the readings on this. I don't know if you can see, it's gone up to alternator okay. When I turn it off, it's saying the battery's fine. There's no problems there with the battery. I've also done it with this one here as well. It's not the best sort of thing in the world, but it is showing everything's fine. I can't really pinpoint it to the alternator or the charging system. Faults have come back in regards to earthing points, but I don't know where I'm looking for the earthing points, how to locate what earthing point's gone. I'm just generally stuck and could do with your help. So if you've got any suggestions, or you can be of any help at all, if you could just post a message on the board, it would be great. Okay, thanks guys, cheers, bye.